Okay. Where's my history?
Making a killing, trying to hit him. Working and illing and drinking and chilling in front of the park. Packing and toting and toast, leaning all with a feel. He's a fraudulent. I'm immaculate. He a sap, he irrelevant. I'm a boss, I'm a factor, I'm 100%. I'm a hustler like Larry Flint. Getting money's my habit. I stay in the traffic, papered up like a tablet. My bankroll's massive. If I walk in a loser, man, I'ma walk out and win. I'm all like a hooper, man, papered up like a print. I ain't rock the title, touching them though. Mental health. Argue with my conscience, cursing out myself. My psychologist got a psychologist, neurologist, one of one. I'm not like you, act like you know. Living in my even, in and out of traffic from the morning to the evening. Trying to get my paper right, my nigga. Stack it to the ceiling, act like you know. Living in my even, in and out of traffic from the morning to the evening. Trying to get my paper right, my nigga. Drinking and blowing on some good bud. Smoking on a strain you never heard of. Exclusive shit. I got it from my plug. Drop my weed on the rug. That's 20 push-ups. That's the party foul. You can do them later. I do them now. I don't allow. Who? Aliens around me. That's the no-no. They'll try to sneak me and turn my brains into a dope. Rarely see me solo. If you do, I'm not. Best believe me, 40 with us, 45 clock. ADHD. Need something to calm my nerves. You laughing about me? Yeah, my kids' teachers meet smelling like herbs. I stay plaster. But I'm all about my paper. What you do? Liquor aroma? That's me on the elevator. Yeah. Or which that auto trade. That's what I got. Driveway. Look like a car lot. My bite is stronger than my bark. Thought you thought heart. Bitch, you full of shit like a dog park. Mark ass poodle. Clear as a cubicle. Weirdo, unusual. Why do suckers be all in the real one's business? Why these sideline niggas be always trying to counter hustler shit, flapping they little lips like some bitches, man, they sap. Running them out.
No, I right place, dude.
Smack, shot the naps, clap. Head put on flat, bricks and flat, can't even bring you back like you know. Living in my even, in and out of traffic from the morning to the evening. Trying to get my paper right, my nigga. Stack it to the ceiling, act like you know. Living in my even, in and out of traffic from the morning to the evening. Trying to get my paper right, my nigga. Stack it to the ceiling.
I learned this about human nature from so high. That is strong, take away from weak, and that is smart, take away from strong.
Dude, I'm not going.
We're now listening to DJ Mumbles. Now listen to E40 spit some games.
I'm having my paper. I'm having my mail. It's Feezy G-Easy and my nigga Ezel. We live in California where the hustlers dwell, where they play with the K's and digital scales. Some pop pills, some drink bow. Some smoke coke, some smoke drugs. I put the bay on my shoulders a long time ago. Where before, tell me when to go. Old heads, young dreads, housing authority, task force, and feds. Prepaid calls, wheelers and kites. Harley Davidson, scraper bikes. Checkers and chess, cars and dice. In the area, all walks of life. Samoans and Tongans, Haitians and Asians, Nigerian, Indian, Latin, Caucasian.
Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point, so it's time to go.
Sideways on my way to the liquor store.
Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point, so it's time to go.
Oh, dude. I don't want to talk, man. I want to talk,
that I might be on. I'm with the global icons who put hyphy on. At the party on one off a bottle of Earl. Young Gerald gets a lot of the pearl. Yeah, it's not an accident. I'm super sick with it. I dream of do it. I did it. Moved to the coupe from the Civic. Got your girl on my line. She said, I'm through in a minute. I threw the most and get ghosts like as soon as I hit it. Yeah, hey, this is history here. Take them all back. 06 is the year. Back when the Bay told them all when to go. About to change the game again, and that's all you should know.
Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point, so it's time to go.
Sideways on my way to the liquor store.
Straight to the point when it's about to go. Straight to the point when it's about to go.
never had shit.
Courier service. Courier dispatch.
Treat a bad bitch like she average. All up in the face with a bad
Transaction
bitch.
service.
See a new chick try to bag it. 'Cause I'm a
Line,
savage.
Shopify
I was
service.
born with a rusty spoon. Now I'm a tycoon. I've been drinking all afternoon. Ain't finna stop no
Well, I got two courier apps open. Hold on.
She want me to scoop her up like a spatula. She want to get attached like an adapter. She think I'm a trash compactor. She want me to smash. I'm a savage about my cabbage. All my life I've been managed. Established practice with I preach a barbarian. I'm a beast. Know how to maneuver in these streets. How to wiggle. Get to the Gouda. Straight shooter. I'm super solid from the rooter to the California.
That's courier customer. All my other services are running, right? I don't know what you're about. Yeah.
Pull up in the drop with a bad bitch. Acting like a nigga never had shit. Pocket full of jam, bitch, I'm rich. 'Cause I'm a savage. Treat a bad bitch like she average. All up in the face with a bad bitch. See a new chick try to bag it. 'Cause I'm a savage. Y'all motherfuckers really need to hold up.
All right, so I should be able to launch both, right? Yeah.
And where we go, motherfucker, no.
Stop.
You
Yeah.
don't know nobody like me. Know your boyfriend wanna fight me. Dropping that ass on my IG. In the club, making
Launch
movie
that.
like
Launch both.
Spidey. Pull out with the collar.
I gotta launch my test.
Who
Yeah.
did it? Had to tell it with the door closed. Front to back like who's in it? Pull up in the drop with a bad bitch. Acting like a nigga never had shit. Pocket full of cash, bitch, I'm rich. Some savage. Treat a bad bitch like she average. All up in the place with a bad bitch.
That's a ghetto bird.
Try to bag it. I'm a savage. If I'ma do it, I'ma run through it by the night. Yellow bitch super thick and that all white. Ass so fat, need a lap dance. Maybe later on, I'ma give a pipe. I'm the type to get it in the ladies' room. Bathroom stall by the toilet paper.
Oh, why are you so vulgar? Hold on. Let's change the song. I don't know about that either.
Back to the business, bitch, with my stick. Everybody on me, they love me, keep it a fact. I'm thorough, not phony, been doing this shit for a while. The girl is my homie, been raising me since a child.
All right, look.
This music is therapy, make me get up and smile. When I was broke, it was funny.
This should be
I'm having my money, I'm feeling good, and I'm proud. Tomorrow, not promising it today.
Courier
Give back to my people, this players don't keep
installed
score.
yet.
This world is amazing, it's quite an interesting spectacle.
Customer
The circle was full of phonies and
hasn't
messy
installed yet.
By popular demand from the home of the scams. Slipping, you'll get caught up in a jam. Running through money, using hundreds as a fan. Sitting in
out here eating good, feasting on 4 courses. Squatting rental buckets, keep the porns in storage. More trees in the natural like an apple.
Ain't ones, these is these is these is my nigga, these ain't ones, these is these is my nigga, these ain't ones, these is these is this is
Bro, you heard about our little nigga? Nah, what happened to our little nigga? They got on him with a Chinese hater and turned his car into a cheese crate. How long ago did this happen? About an hour and a half ago. What did they take you to? Queen of the Valley Hospital. What did the perpetrators look like? A bunch of mopheads. Mopheads? Yes. Some niggas with some dreads. Who told you that, this ball?
None of these apps launch. That's Courier. Courier, what are you doing? This thing is froze. Hold up. Cancel. Hold up. Hold up. Cancel. Well, it says deploying now. All right. We're gonna test that. Come here.
Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up this. Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping.
Hold on. He's not building. Yeah. Delete courier status after it's new.
What you think we ought to do? See it take a fool to catch a fool. Anybody got any pictures? Go to their MySpace page. Bet you one of them right. I can almost guarantee you'll find a flick with the rest of them in the bag. Ever since I received
Clear up is right here.
ever since I even saw them, we got
I'm surprised you're not already subscribed.
Well, I've been doing a little bit of homework, and I know this broad that know his cousin, and his cousin know this new deal evolution. And he mixing that shit with the pay.
Wrap this up.
Me around the way, and it just so happened he know the nigga that pulled the trick to stay like that. His head at, he hiding his yola and keeping his fucking bread at. His bread at, his broccoli is over his rings, his guns and lead at.
So done. Let the saga complete. I'm going to spin up Google Maps to continue doing a route back to the customer's location, and then we're just going to ask how you delivered it. That message is wanting to hit a service. The order request no longer exists, so it's probably going to throw a whole bunch of exceptions on my backend services. Man. Customer app, why aren't you launching? Hold up. What do you want? I got to rebuild the whole thing? Come here. Oh, come here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this Mac Russ, man. That nigga 40 water, man. Real nigga, man. Yeah, I grew up with the nigga, man. I know he's solid. You hear me? Tell him niggas Russ. Let me tell you something about what I had to do the other day, though. Yeah, but you gonna keep this on the hush, though, okay? Yeah, I have my pit knowledge, man, right? You know, didn't our clear nose, man? Yeah, this situation, right? Yeah, we got on the quick, though. Got on that nigga head, man. Yeah, got on his helmet, man. Yeah, it was ugly. It was bad. Check this out, man. Yeah, we monsters over here, man. You know what I'm saying? Still ain't got time to be playing with no niggas, no nothing, right? We snapped that nigga up real quick, you know what I'm saying? Niggas jumped out on him and up. We out of there.
TK Shillings. What's going on? Oh, yeah?
Don't even look over
Let me
there.
see.
Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up with this.
I'm not really saying anything important. Hold on. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Is that a little better or no? Let me launch my stream manager on my Twitter app. Not my Twitter, my Twitch app. Where is it at? Stream manager. All right, so I got my stream manager running now, so I shouldn't have to keep swapping over here. See, that's better. Okay. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not a good commentator. Yeah, I'm doing mobile app development. I'm not a good commentator. I'm not that really entertaining. It's just, I just stream when I program because it's easier for me to be productive if I know that people are observing me. It may not make sense, but there's like a certain psychology to it that, I don't know, my ego requires people to observe me in order for me to like make progress. So that built, that should finally launch. Courier app is over here. We should probably order this way. Customer app should probably be on the left. Start to finish, right? Shoot. You gotta let this courier service process all the failures. And that means it's the bank card services. Hold up. Which one is this? It's still a courier service, right? Okay. So we got both of these up. Let's make sure. That makes a lot of sense. Don't worry about having to talk. I was just wondering, or just making sure that your setup wasn't like doing something you didn't want. I know audio balance extremely can depend. Well, thanks for understanding. All right, so let me make sure that my services are running. There's no like breakpoints. What's the other one? The other one is bank card transaction service, right? That likes to break when my courier service breaks. It looks like we're fine for right now. Order some Denny's. Review. Check out. Philo T. Barnesworth. 424242. Come here. Hold up. I didn't even do that. 216. Come here. Hit add. Okay. Go on my Azure storage table. Verify that there's no orders in here. We could go courier solicited, and you can delete whatever entries that are in here. Delete that. Bank card metadata. We can delete anything in here. Come on. Delete that. All right. Come on. So then we say order. Hold on. Before I hit order, I need to set a breakpoint for beach delivery.courier. We need to set a breakpoint for this disable. All right. So be notified whenever disabled is triggered. Enable IDK. Let's go to our output window. Where's my output window at? Right here. Clear everything, right? Do I need to have my music? Hold up. I like this song, man. Okay. So yeah, come here. Hit order. Courier route usually responds like within 15 seconds. We'll see. 10 seconds is fast. Hmm? So this is weird because we have the values right here, latitude, longitude, right? That's what these debug.write lines are for. And it's saying, nope. Says error using new lat lang bounds. Map size can't be 0. I don't even know what that means. Most likely layout has not yet occurred for the map view. We'll wait until layout has occurred or use new lat lang bounds, which allows you to specify the map dimensions. I don't even know what that means. Like, is that markers, is that awaitable? No, it doesn't look like it.
Assistance and welfare is free. Wow. I would be the first millionaire in my family tree.
What if we say Xamarin on here? And upload, and I am using everything. Have you? How's it answer? Why has this even put in no context? It is random because I can't reproduce it every single time. What's the answer to this? I know it's going to be like
Ever told on a nigga? No. Ever squeeze a trigger? Yeah. Ever set a nigga up? No. Ever helped a brother out when he was down on his luck? You a fat? No. You a boss player? You a Mac? Yeah. Let me hold a couple dollars. No. Y'all still be popping y'all collars? Yeah.
there's no.
Pay better than the lake. Yeah. No. Bitch, I'm a thug. Yeah. You a loser? No. Winner? Yeah. Starving? No.
I don't know what to do about that. If I just try to hit play, it does ignore it. Okay. If I hit accept, then we hit disable. No. Yeah. No. So what are we disabling? We're disabling the request notifier. And that's the topic listener. So that's fine. So we run that. We get this exception thingy. Nope. Yep. It immediately launches Google Maps. But before I even look at that, tripping. Star Wars? Yoda? Disabling topic courier requested with the suffix ID. That's fine. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. All right. So when we execute this line right here, no. It's the same thing. Disabling topic courier requested. Why are we disabling it twice? I don't know. Whatever. So it immediately brings up Google Maps, and we don't care about that right now. We go back to our you've been unsubscribed from delivery requests. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. It makes sense. Okay. So then so like we arrived at Denny's, right? That's what this is simulating. And so we select All American Slam, and then we take a photo of the receipt. Okay. Now, from there, this is going to be interesting. When we hit done, let me make sure no one else is commenting or asking questions on YouTube. Okay, so when I hit done, it should submit a new message to the service bus. Now, meaning that there's a couple things that are wrong with this. One is we found a courier and it should say that, but it doesn't. It's probably one of the first things I should tackle. I'll do that next round. So I'll say done. Okay. Yeah, so all this is up right now. Arrived at pass me the weed, I need some weed with my Hennessy. Pass me the green, I need some weed with my Hennessy. Pass me the green, I need some weed with my Hennessy. Let me make sure my request is the same on my. So right now we're in the customer service request. Let me make sure that's the same as the customer client. So request ID customer carriers timestamp, and this is request ID customer carriers, but there's no timestamp in here. I'm not sure if that matters. I don't see. I'm not sure if I need to include timestamp in here. Will that really break? I don't know yet. Put a breakpoint right there. We'll just let the whole thing just run and error out. Oh shoot! Actually, that was useful information. Hold on. Okay, naturally, I missed that part. We can get rid of this map part. Act like it was delivered. All right. So we just arrived at drop off. Our JSON still looks straight. So what's the difference between our arrived at drop off structure here versus our customer? Is it customer or courier? Courier arrived at drop off. Let's see what the difference is. Courier ID request timestamp. Courier ID request timestamp. What does the request look like? On a courier service, our request looks like the following: request ID customer carriers timestamp. On a courier app, hold up, something's not right. Hold up. Arrived at drop off looks like there's a request for our courier service, which is a type request for arrived at drop off, but for our beach delivery courier app, it's a delivery request. So there's a huge difference. This beach delivery app needs to have the structure that our service has, regardless, right? So arrived at drop off needs to look like this right here. Okay. Arrived at pickup needs to be the same thing. Looks like it is. Let's see what arrived at pickup looks like on the courier service. Arrived at pickup, courier ID request, pickup, daytime. Courier ID request, pickup, daytime. All right. A request is request ID customer carrier's timestamp. For the, let me see over here. Can I hover over requests over here? Will it be nice? No. Request ID customer carrier's timestamp. All right. So let's just let everything play out for right now and then rebuild everything. Well, not rebuild everything, but just rebuild the courier app. Probably the customer app too, right? Info post. So, all right, what's this courier service? Relaunch the courier app. Master P. Oh, here. So courier service is running. Courier over here. We got some build errors. That should work. That should work. Build. Oh. Yeah. Saudi Arabia. It's taking a while to build. Cleveland, Cincinnati. All right. Build, courier app. All my other services are running. I guess I could relaunch this customer app, right? Yeah. Probably 3 observers. So Courier app is building, customer app is building. I guess I could run my test script to clear out my service bus topics and my storage table order request. Handle that. Okay. I thought this was addressed. Build again. Courier app. Where you at? You failed. Why did you fail? Control \E. I'm gonna build you again. Come here. Customer app. You build right now? Okay, cool. We can launch you. All right. Courier app. What's your state? You're still building, right? Make sure that my courier service is still running. There's no breakpoints. Okay, good. Bank card transaction service. You like to be tightly coupled to my courier service. There's no breakpoints. We're good over here too, right? Okay. Okay. So let's. You still want to throw issues when I try to deploy you. So we got to rebuild the customer app, and we need to investigate when it finds a courier that's not being relayed to the customer app, and I don't know why. Right. So what I mean is courier service. There should be a subscriptions. What's that notification? There should be like a courier. Let me reference my test. Oh yeah, but before that, we gotta. Oh, dirty bastard. Okay, we're good. Let's figure out how my test did it, since that's going to be living documentation. Satisfy. Okay. Courier accepted. That gets published. So does that not get published in the Courier app? Come here. Where you at, Courier app? Customer, you're still building. Okay. Courier app, you've built. We can launch you.
You ain't worth no $100. I have Joe Blow. He love my man. You should be paying me.
Okay, so data gateway, publish courier accepted, and then it's the. Now here's the thing: is it courier accepted request ID or is it courier accepted courier ID? So let's throw a breakpoint right here. Look at our test, and it's neither. We just publish courier accepted, but we have a label that's attached. Okay, come here.
That's for fucking with me, you no business born insecure motherfucker.
Or maybe it does do it. Hold up. This takes the request ID as a label. Enqueue message takes label. Yeah, it does that. Okay. Do I have a breakpoint over here? Nope. All right, so go back again and say our test is using a request ID. So the label looks like this. Request ID, then within parentheses, the request ID. Our courier app needs to have the same thing. Yeah, that's not right. Yeah, it's not doing it. So we need to have this right here. We need to have let label equal, and then I don't know what do I have to say this response request ID to string. All right, that should probably have to do the same thing for everything, right? There he is.
I've been just checking my game side. You said you understand me trying to get my money right. Yeah, I can dig it, Cat Daddy. Why don't you check your ass up on stage? Check this out, Cat. You just get out there and you introduce us. We gonna have some there. You go ahead and you big old pimp. I got you, baby. Oh,
Straight there. Update the other two. I'm turning this up.
got something old and something new for y'all. We got Snoop Dogg and Dog and Dog Pound. And the Baptist Dramatic.
Label. Label. Okay. We should be straight on this part. Rebuild courier app. Customer app should be built, right? Big dog. I smacked you off my balls like a motherfucking hoe. Alright. So what else? Azure tests. Delete. Courier topics. Come here. Run that. That will clean up our database in our service topics. Or service bus topics, shall I say. Customer app is running. Gotta head out. Stay safe, dude. Alright. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate it. Take care. Uh-oh. What's this? I don't know what that's about. Do I have a service that's suspended? Hold on. No, no, that's fine. All night long, mid early now. Dum diddy dum.
Now once the pound break it down with the gangster flow, I can see and I can tell that's all you want. So so we can get. I promise we till the day that we die.
I'm off beat. It's weird. Like I can make my neck go like from left to right on beat. Hold up. But I can't do like the opposite. I can't like right to left. Like I can't do that. All right. So customer app, courier app. What is your state? Hold up. Where you at? You are done building. All right. Launch. I want to do an hour, right? I want to do an hour of this session. I'm at 47 minutes, so I got like 15 more minutes. And then I can satisfy I already satisfied my quota for today. I did 2.5 hours this morning, but I can satisfy. I like this song. Come here.
Once again, another Tracks production. Fresh from the 9 Mob City. Ain't it a shame how we make ballin' look so sweet? Especially when you ain't got a high rush. Campaign in your nation. I'm a legit demonstration.
No, I thought they were spiders. So this MLK ride out this weekend. I was doing hood rat things last night with them. I wasn't able to catch up with them today though. MLK ride out. I thought they were outside my crib. Hold up. 2021. 11 hours ago. Hold up. Suspend. Oh, that's literally Grand Theft Auto. Okay. Hold on. Is all this? That's not right. Hold on. January 20. Go to tools. Anytime. Past 24 hours. Okay, yeah. They don't have anything. Hold up. Where's videos at? Why is all this Grand Theft Auto? They're selling videos, I'm sure, on Instagram, but they don't have any 9 hours ago. What's this over here? He doesn't look like he's in Miami. Where's videos at? Hold up. Something's not right. They don't have any videos. They didn't upload anything to YouTube yet. I know it's on like Instagram and stuff. I don't even know how to do that. Whatever. There should be videos on here. All right. What? Should I say bikes up, guns down? Hold on, let me do that. Bikes up, guns down. 2020. Or I could just say MLK Rideout without the 2021. I don't know how to spell Rideout, but we do it within the last 24 hours. Maybe the past week. Yeah, there's no YouTube for what's this right here?
Things like this are expected this weekend. Illegal vehicles swarming streets and putting drivers in danger. Law enforcement officials saying today that won't be tolerated. Local 10's Roy Ramos is live in Fort Lauderdale with more. Roy.
And law enforcement says they do expect large crowds of these illegal riders on those ATVs and on those dirt bikes. So for that reason, the Broward County Sheriff's Office is teaming up with several other agencies. They say that activity will not be tolerated.
They don't have a choice. They can't stop it. Oh, he went over the table.
We may see some more individuals participating this year, but we're prepared.
They're not prepared. You say that every year. You can't stop it. You can catch probably 1% of the riders, but you can't stop it. You can't stop a movement unless you adopt Islamic State like behavior and you really like punish people.
Zero tolerance operation, as this event is non-sanctioned, it's illegal, and it's a threat to the public safety.
We know where these groups are. We're going to handle it. Please do not take matters into your own hands. Do not engage with these folks.
Yeah, you engage with them, you lose.
Officers there say they'll be watching from above, communicating with units on the ground, ready to respond.
The police don't want a lawsuit.
And we will be doing enforcement.
Police will be monitoring how groups of riders move through the South Florida area, and if you are caught, the bikes, most of which are not street legal, will be confiscated. The riders facing jail time and hefty fines.
We will be watching, and we will hold those people that commit illegal activity accountable. This is your warning. We will catch you.
The first time I rode with them, it was like 4 fatalities that day. Like, it's weird because I was pumping gas next to one of the dudes that died like an hour later. It was weird. And he was a teenager. Anyways, back to my courier app. All right, so let me make sure my orders are. Yeah, I'm straight. All right, go. Restaurants. Denny's. Come here. Give me an all-American and Oreo. No, I want a strawberry shake. Come here. That on strawberry shake. Check out. Okay. We'll put in Philo. T. Barnsworth. Come here. And then we can say for two. Something like that, right? Come here. Probably that's still too many. All right. So then we have that. And then we have expiration month, expiration year. We say 216. Come here. All right. They add. Okay. Let's see if we have accepted. We have received. I don't even know if. I don't know. Well, I mean, we have the breakpoints there, right? And so say order. Okay. Like this should work. I shouldn't have any exceptions. With emphasis on I shouldn't. It takes a while for the ceremony and all the messages that produce messages to happen. It says no courier smile. That's not good. Oh, I'm not subscribed. Oh my God. Courier wasn't subscribed. So now what? I gotta repeat that whole process. Where's my test at? Delete courier service topics. Rerun the customer app. Run into my customer app. It's this right here, right? Alright, so customer app, I have to literally rebuild the entire application. Okay, fine. I thought this was resolved. I can play my music again. Come here. Where you at, music? Well, we're gonna play something else. Like, we want to play. What do I want to play? LL Cool J. This is how I feel a lot of times. Too many times that I wish to admit.
When I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall and in the back of my mind I hear my conscience call, telling me I need a girl who's as sweet as a dove. For the first time in my life, I see I need love. There I was, giggling about the games that I had played with many hearts, and I'm not saying no names. Then the thought occurred, teardrops made my eyes burn, cause I said to myself, look what you've done to her. I can feel it inside, I can't explain how it feels. All I know is that I'm never dishing up the raw deal, playing make-believe, pretending that I'm true.
Building customer app.
Saying I'm more, kissing you on the ear, whispering I love you and I'll always be here. Although I often reminisce, I can't believe that I found a desire for true love floating around inside my soul, because my soul is cold. One half of me deserves to be this way till I'm old, but the other half needs affection and joy, and the warmth that is created by a girl and a boy. I need love.
So tell me how your tour is going.
Tour's going good, you know what I'm saying? It's real successful, you know. We sell a lot of tickets. Just it's real hectic, you know what I'm saying? Interviews, girls calling me all the time. It's real crazy, man. See what I mean?
My little girl today. Listen, what I tell you about these rap guys, huh? Look, I'm not taking any pride away, man.
Romance, sheer delight, how sweet. I gotta find me a girl to make my life complete. You can scratch my back, we'll get cozy and huddle.
Still building customer app.
I give you a rose, pull out your chair before we eat. Kiss you on the cheek and say, ooh, girl,
2 minutes away from my 1 hour.
whenever I'm with you, I could go on forever telling you what I do. But where you at?
Customer app done building.
Under my rug, this love search is really making me bug. And if you know who you are, why don't you make yourself seen? Take a chance with my love and you find out what I mean. Fantasies can run, but they can't hide. And when I find you, I'ma pour all my love inside. I need love.
Yo, I ain't mean to hurt you before, you know what I'm saying? It's just I live a hectic life. You know what I'm saying? If you told me to Atlantic City, I'll make it up to you. You still love me or what?
I need love.
Cool.
Restaurants. Let's try this again. My courier subscribe, right? Shakes. I still want my strawberry shake. Review. Check out. Philo. T. Barnesworth.
Face to face and you tell me your mind. If I find you, girl, I swear I'll be a good man. I'm not gonna leave it in destiny's hands. I can't sit and wait for my princess to arrive. I gotta struggle and fight to keep my dream alive.
All right. Hit order.
When I finally find you, watch a love unfurl. I need love.
Finding a courier. Should prompt my courier app. I am subscribed. This should work, dude.
I got somebody, baby.
Girl, listen.
That's all right.
When I be sitting in my room all alone, staring at the wall, fantasy
All right.
go through my mind.
Order requests received. I say accept.
I need true love. And if you want to give it to me, girl,
It disables query requested. All right. That's fine. Expect it. I mean, I don't like it, but just expect it. Okay. Now, you know what I noticed is it didn't trigger any of those breakpoints. So it didn't trigger arrived at pickup or courier accepted. They didn't trigger any of this stuff.
I am a nightmare walking, psychopath talking, king of my jungle, just a gangster stalking, living life like a firecracker, quick as my fuse. Then dead as a death, that's the colors I choose, red or blue, cause of blood. It just don't matter. Something died for your life.
None of this got triggered.
The gangs of LA would never die.
Just multiply.
You don't know me, fool. You disown me, cool. I don't need your assistance, social persistence. Any problem I got, I just put my fist in. My life is violent, but violence is life.
Here's the question. Why did this get...
With my colors upon me, one soldier stand tall. Tell me, what have you left me? What have I got? Last night in cold blood, my young brother got shot. My homeboy got jacked. My mother's on crack. My sister can't work cause her arm showed tracks. Madness, insanity, lived in profanity. Then some punk claiming they're understanding me. Give me a break. What world do you live in? Death is my set. Guess my religion.
Color, 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 color.
Send delivery request status. Or no, set delivery request status.
But I don't care. My game ain't
Save
knowledge. My
status.
game's fear. I've no remorse, so squares beware. But my true mission is just revenge. You ain't my set, you ain't my friend. Wear the wrong color, your life could end.
I don't see it actually posting anything.
So I'll just walk like a giant, police defiant. You'll say to stop, but I'll say that I can't. My gang's my family, it's all that I have. I'm a star on the wall, my autograph. You don't like it, so you know where you can go. Cause the streets on my stage, and terror's my show. Psychoanalyze, try diagnosing me why. It wasn't your brother who died, but it was mine. So let me define my territory. Don't cross the line. Don't try to act crazy, cause that shit don't faze me. If you ran like a punk, it wouldn't amaze me, cause my color is death. Though we all want peace.
Yeah, I don't post it anywhere. Request dot. Yeah, it's not. I guess I could post dot. Are we in the? This is still UI, right? Well, this service. Oh, Where's the view model at? Where's the view model? Hold up. How does this work? There's a delivery status service. What? Oh god. What is delivery status service? Set status arrived. It doesn't publish. What's arrival service? None of this publishes anything. Here we go. It should do a notify. I think this notify is what's supposed to happen. Yeah, I'm almost positive. It's just notify. Like, because all these are. That. People just trick us. Swore he killed him. I hear hella. I hear a whole bunch of. Maybe it was more than one motorcycle. Crashed to the tree near University. The car was damaged. All right, so on. There's a couple things. Even before we get to on accepted, it should be a message that a courier was found. Should it? Maybe not. We'll go with courier accepted. Great. Something. Knock him out the house, Rick. Knock him out, Rick. Knock. If you notice, these are all mocks. Mock arrival service, mock delivery status service. Okay. This is an issue. Well, that's subscribe to disconnected services. So now that's understandable. But where's the subscribe to or subscribe to disconnected notifications? Where's the subscribe to connected notifications? Subscribe to connected notifications is right here. So this subscribe to connected notifications, it only does the incoming requests. Well, no, that's not true. Register arrival events. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so this is successful for triggering the notification with the accept or decline. The register arrival events. Let's see. Set delivery request service. Yeah, so I feel like for display requests for unaccepted, I feel like, yeah, we should probably do a post right here. Post dot. I don't see an accepted here though. How did this work? Post accepted is part of for courier data gateway dot post. And what's this post over here? What does that belong to? Delivery courier delivery data gateway. And what I'm looking at is courier data gateway. Okay. Courier data gateway post dot accepted. And that's going to take a response.
Yeah. I realize this. I realize this.
So
respect this here. Check. I'm from where the hammers rung.
Courier accepted response. Where is that located at?
Verse in your rhyme, where the grams are slung. Niggas Spanish every summer. Where the blue vans would come, we throw the work in the can and run. Where the plans were to get funded, skate up the set. To achieve this goal quicker, so all my weight wet. Faced with immeasurable odds, still I gave straight bets. So I felt the more something than you nothing. Check. I'm from the other side where other guys don't walk too much. The girls from the projects went fuckers, said we talk too much. So they ran up the time and sought them dudes to trust. I don't know what the fuck they thought. Them niggas is foul just like us. I'm from where the beef is inevitable. Summertime's unforgettable. Boost is in abundance. Buy half price sweater.
How was my test do it?
It was everything. So everything you said you do, you did it. Couldn't talk about it if you ain't living. I'm from where niggas pull your card and argue all day about who's the best MCs. Biggie, Jay-Z, and Nas. With the drugs, Ozzy, Ball, and thugs are at odds. At each other's throats for the love of foreign cars. The catch cases, hoping the judge R&Rs. But most times find themselves locked up behind bars. That all. I'm from where they ball and we rhyme stars. I'm from Marcy, son. Just thought to remind y'all. Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son.
Ain't nothing nice.
Many places, but I'm Brooklyn zone. Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son.
Ain't nothing nice.
But I'm Brooklyn zone. Cook up a lung where I'm from,
There's some career acceptance. It looks like this. Ain't nothing nice.
I'm from the mean streets of Philly, the niggas trying to kill me. Ain't no real homies, like I can see it clearly. Fast money, nigga down century. If I get booked the whole rock, better mention me. Independently, my name.
Bar.
After every sentence in the prayer comes a picture.
Acceptance.
When your time stop, fuck the
Equal.
time spots better
New.
than the pine box. Show me no
Career
sympathy
accepted
when they
response.
imprison me. Set my book straight, commissary stack. So J, tell J, can't switch my games to knife ending. I got 3 strikes pending. Practice in the mountains got me cutting my braids. All off, no fade, but can't cut my ways. Cut broke niggas jealous. Green like relish, cause I'm getting the mustard. Fuck it, catch up.
No, there's different ways you can initialize it, right?
Tell us niggas, where's your notes? Nope.
For right now, I'm just doing it this way.
Scrap can't be them. Commissary stack. Business every weekend. I make power moves. Ascot shower shoes. You still rock the state stickies in the shower room. All I got is
Career
fucking time
equals-
zone. They got me Ben Lang status. Reconcile alone. Must I remind you niggas what a thug about? Red light to find you and shine through your mother house. 4 lethal weapons, strap Danny Glover out. Baby Rock, Mac, hunting whack, Trey Snubble Mouse. Yeah, rubber mouth, OJ Glover.
How we do this?
Rock wasn't even loud, bullets just coming out. Cop shell, move the crowd, dead body coming out. Rock him and his kids if the head run his mouth. I was raised at block with my
Car,
name at. Ghetto where
career,
the sun don't shine,
equal.
where rain black. If you don't hit who you aim at, that blood stained pain and tell the stories on how them niggas came back. Everybody named scrap, cops get flamed at.
Where does career come from? Hold up.
On the ass with bad bitches who they ass from the born and glass. Most niggas get rich off of 4.5. They go broke, fall victim to the straw in the bag. When niggas lose, they like over dice. People stop in the bank, they shoot for the 6, they shot for the 8. Block where they keep the dope in the rice. Throw in the jar, the coke in the ice, flow in the bar.
Where is... How does career get hydrated?
Rats on the block, feds on the phone. Walk with me, come on.
Let's get applicant. Where's that reference at? Is this right? No, that's career ID.
Where I'm from, all we know is go hard and go hard.
Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son. Ain't nothing nice many places, but I'm Brooklyn zone. Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son. Ain't nothing nice many places, but I'm Brooklyn zone. Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son. Ain't nothing nice many places, but I'm Brooklyn zone. Cook up a lung where I'm from, Marcy, son.
Do I ever save a courier, or is it just an applicant?
And niggas been praying to God so long that they atheists.
It looks like I don't.
Damn, I was just with him yesterday. I'm a block away from hell, not enough shots away from straight shells. An ounce away from triple beams, we're using that handheld weight scale. You laughing, you know the place well, with the liquor stores and the base well. Government, fuck government. Niggas politic themselves. When we call the cops to 18, because they hop out of vans and spray things. And life expectancy so low, we making our wheels at 18s. But how you get rid of guys who step out of line, your rep solidified. Tell me, when I rap, you think I give a fuck to criticize? If this shit is live, God strike me. And And I got a question. Are you forgiving guys who live just like me? We never know. One day I prayed to you and said if I ever blow, I let them know the stakes and exactly what takes place in the ghetto. Promise fulfilled. Still I feel my job ain't done. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. In many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. In many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son,
Question
ain't
is,
nothing nice.
all right, so what's the structure of a courier?
Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. Yeah, I'm from where they cross over and clap balls. Lost Jehovah in place of rap laws. Listen, I'm up the block, round the corner and down the street. From where the pimps,
Name,
prostitutes, and the
phone,
drug lords meet. We make $1 million off the beats, cause our stories is deep.
profile
Fuck
image.
tomorrow, long as the night before was sweet. Niggas get lost for weeks in the street, twisted off bleak. And no matter the weather, niggas know how to draw heat. Whether you're 4 feet or a new size, it always starts out with 3 dice and shoot the 5. Niggas thought they dudes was live, then I hit it with tricks. Then I reach down for their money, Paul. Forget about this. This time around it's platinum, like the shit on my wrist. And this Glock on my waist, y'all can't do shit about this. Niggas will show you love, that's how they fool thugs. Before you know it, you're lying in the pool of blood. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. Many places, but I'm
Bar,
from
courier, equal. We gotta get applicant, right? Bar, applicant, equal, and that should be referenced in our demo.cs. Which is our application, get applicant.
On everything. Took my heart away from money. I ain't interested in fame. And I pray that never change. Ambition is priceless. It's something that's in your veins. And I put that on my name. Only hope I had was something dope. Was on my grind 'cause times was harder than the cellar float. My mama told me never steal and never tell her folks. I grew up looking up the niggas that was selling coke.
Make it public.
I was raised by the stop sign. No religion, I was getting saved by the Glock 9. By the minute, I was getting paid like the hotline. Serving raw, pieces called. We was .com, well connected, well respected, and well protected.
And this would be in the wait, right?
And get my message. What the signal when I was texting. The niggas out to call was fraud, and I learned my lesson.
So then bar courier equals new courier.
So throw that pass, I'll be the cornerback. Me and Lauren, MMG gonna bring that Warner back.
It is called a courier, right? Courier.client. That's not right. Yeah. Business.core.courier. Business. Business.core.courier. And then that'll be a courier ID.
My ambition to win, just to get me some ends, help me pay my little rent, maybe sit in the bins. I saw mama praying as she wait on results. It was hot in the kitchen. Can I wait on the porch? My father was missing warlord all up the north. Life was digging me deeper. I kept on coming up short, breaking so many laws, waking up in the dark. Who cut my power off? It's time to move that powder soft. Not too many options when you coming from the project. Sitting in the trap, now you moving Cindy Lauper. Girls wanna have fun. And the
application.
Change. And I doubt that ever change. Ambition is priceless. That's something that's in your veins. And I doubt that ever change. Ambition is my shit.
If courier exists, it has to exist, right? Well, you can't get in here and it doesn't exist. So do that. This is your courier ID. But I feel like there should be a global courier ID already set, right? Global dot. There's a global dot applicant. Yeah, there's a global dot applicant. I don't know if it's actually initialized already.
To my opposition, you niggas probably cop a plea before you cop a pistol. I got nothing against them. They got fucking potential. But every nigga who can read gotta get his issue. Subscribe, niggas. Resolve all the lines and killers be. And I ain't spending a minute up in the streets, but I'm limitless mentally. I'm limitless.
I don't know.
23 and family is everything and money is less important. Long as your mama like you, don't ever love a woman. I got a lot of bitches, they got a lot of feelings, but I got that green on my eyes and that ain't no dirty sister.
So this is your courier ID right here. That's string. Name is applicant.name, right? It's okay, fine. Bar name equals, then it's, how do you want to do this? It's like $, and then you could say within braces, with a space in between braces. You could say applicant dot first name, and then applicant dot last name, like that, right? Okay, and so then you can say that our name is going to go right here. And then it wants a phone number, so we just say applicant. Oh, shoot, go back, bring it back. Then say applicant phone. Okay. Then it wants some profile image. Like, we don't have, do we? Applicant dot. Yeah, we don't have it.
Learn life. There's levels to this shit, young boy. Hey, oh, you feel me? Yeah, little nigga, we don't rock the same clothes, fuck the same hoes, levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't try the same whips, fuck the same chicks, cause it's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper, you a motherfucking hater, levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit. Yeah, oh Lord, cause it's levels to the shit. Levels to the shit, can't fuck my hoe, cause it's levels to this bitch.
Okay, now what? It takes the courier as the first argument. Takes the request as the second argument.
Young nigga blowing up Kurt Cobain. Boom, skating on them like I'm Lil Wayne. In this 458 through the little lane. Bro, swerve on them niggas, got a nerve on them, cause I heard the feds got them and he had them birds on them, but that nigga back on them and them niggas roll with a quarter.
And then it takes the location of the courier.
You ain't get your bitch back yet. White car niggas ain't that tech, blood drawn, headshot, nigga brains on step. Hot shit if you pop shit. And I don't want your opinion if you ain't got shit. We young niggas, we winning, I pull up drop shit. My shit with more peas than little nigga. We don't rock the same clothes, fuck the same hoes, levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't try the same whips, fuck the same chicks, cause it's levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper.
Well, I guess I'll take this locator.
Little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit.
Locator dot.
No. DC, we the motherfucking mob. Young niggas get straight to the money in the range with the honey. I pull up like I make a pie move to Jano. Them boys shooting, don't play them. Maybach, Rose, and them rolling down Calico Rock. Get the air with them. Compound niggas lie now. The niggas fighters, I'm ballin' like I'm LeBron now. I call up Odyssey, tell them bitches to calm down. I treat that jet like a taxi the way I'm flying around. And I don't fuck with no niggas.
Is there like a global dot location somewhere?
Say fuck my nigga, we don't rock the same clothes, fuck the same hoes, levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't try the same whips, fuck the same chicks, cause we levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper, you a motherfucking hater, levels to the shit.
Yeah, they're a global dot.
Little nigga, cause the levels to the
Last
shit.
location.
Oh Lord, one time for the real nigga,
Dot value.
two times for the bad bitches. Y'all suckers be coming home, y'all suckers never had bitches. I hit the dealer for the never rose. That's the reason why you mad, nigga. That's the reason why you hating on me. I love balling my bad nigga, cause the levels to the shit.
Estimated time of arrival.
Can't fuck my hoe, cause the levels to this bitch. Cause the levels to this bitch, and I bring it back like a gold medal to this bitch, love.
That would be.
Hold up, little nigga, we don't rock the same clothes.
I don't know, we'll just say 45 minutes
Little nigga, we don't try the same
for
whips,
everything.
fuck the same chicks, cause these levels to the shit. Little nigga, we don't get the same paper, you a motherfucking hater, levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause the levels to the shit. Little nigga, cause the levels to the
This
shit.
request. That's per requested. Request dot delivery request dot request. All right, that's fine. All right. So then we should be able to say, well, we don't need any of this stuff anymore, right? Then we just say post acceptance. Something like that, right? But this is C sharp, not F sharp, so I gotta add parentheses in here. So sophisticated.
To get a person me, you gotta be initiated. To get a person me, she gotta be sophisticated. Purchase a whip from me and never miss a single payment. I'm from the city.
All right, I'm tapping out. It's been an hour and 30 minutes.
See another nigga made it. Tell all the pussies to chill, champagne refrigerated. Just bought a chopper cause the last one got it confiscated. Count 100 mil so many times I contemplated. You wanna be the hottest, but that shit get complicated. I pull your car,
this is a sync, right? So we gotta say away.
Show you the safe, you had to kill me for that combination.
Okay.
Another 2 million just off the compilation. I just hit a lick, I'm telling you this
Yeah,
shit
that should be fine.
Got a white bitch who fucking me just like she Jamaican. Sipping purple in that motherfucker concentrated. This for my niggas in them prisons overpopulated. This the mob, so you gotta get it.
The acceptance should be a task.
You a mob, and you gotta make an issue payment. We going hard, running back just like it's Walter Payton. The gang sweet, gave all my niggas an occupation. We so sophisticated.
Async dot start as task.
100 millionaires, bitch, we made it. I'm so
Accept this submission.
Smoking weed, busting open all the liquor later.
The task result.
Open and I tell her I'm a liquor later. Pull out the stick and spray that bitch just like it's activator. Time to lay down these niggas who still be masquerading. We know you pussy, so you got my niggas masturbating. Round of applause, cause them choppers be so captivating.
You know what?
Sophisticated, cause them hits
All this stuff.
Put your
Let's
dick in
change
the
everything,
dirt, now
man.
you decapitated. I'm getting money, so you never hear me talking petty. Tatted on my stomach, rich forever, Machiavelli. 50 million, 100 million, it's accumulate. I'm the hottest, and these other niggas coolin', ain't it? I got a bitch I'm fucking that you see on BET. My little Haiti shooters that had your ass on TMZ. Breaking news, and we still get them for 10 a key. And if he faking, fuck them, tell them niggas.
All right, I'm tapping out. Take care. Bye. See ya.
You gotta make an issue payment.